Good morning, sir. I am Gauri Saraswati Brema from Sankaran Kovil. My father is a landlord. My mother is a housewife. My younger brother completed BE ECE in Kalasalingam Institute of Technology on 2016. I am completed MCA in Mononmaniam Sundaranar University, Tirunelveli on 2013. I have 2 years experienced in MIPS Web Services Private Limited, Tirunelveli. I know the ASP.NET, C# code and SQL Server, and I also know the JavaScript and the little bit knowledge in jQuery. It is used to validation purpose, and I have know the how to create the web pages and how to create and how to store the data into the database and how to retrieve the data from the database, and I also know the display the information using the data grid and the Telerik grid. If we have used the Telerik grid by using a Telerik DLL, if we have added the Telerik DLL in the references and then add some HTTP handlers code to the web.config file, then we have used the Telerik grid. It is used to sorting and filtering the data easily. Then I also know the web services. For example, if we have fetch the keyword, then display the results display the jobs results based on this keyword by using web services. Then we have entered the value of the keyword parameter. Then if we have click the invoke button, then the results can be displayed in the XML format. Then I also know the how to create the Windows application and Windows services. And I am 2 years worked in a TechFetch project. It is the USA job portal site. Both candidate and recruiter side handle in this project. First of all, explain the candidate side. In the candidate side, the candidate sign up procedure contains 7 steps: profile, professional, skills, fetch alert, preferences, and the special notes. In the profile tab contains the personal information for this candidate, and the professional tab contains the expected salary, expected hourly, and expected and the total experience and USA experience details. And the skills contains the specialist area and the specialist skill details. And the fetch alert contains sent the consolidated mail to the candidate and the matched jobs mail sent based on this fetch alert details. And the special notes is used for easily the candidate easily connect to the recruiter. Then if the candidate completely the profile tab, then the account activation mail was sent to the corresponding candidate with the matched job. In this project, we have added the more than one resume uploaded. So it is useful for this candidate. If the candidate fetch the jobs by using the fetch jobs link, then display the if the candidate enter the keyword, then display the corresponding jobs. Then the candidate apply these jobs only one time. Apply the jobs for a particular company. So avoid the multiple applying. So it is avoid the multiple applying, and also multiple quick apply is also possible. Then the candidate wish to edit the detail profile professional skills details. If details also possible. If the candidate update the skills details, then also send the matched jobs mail to the corresponding candidate based on these skills. Then also view the resume, download the resume, replace the resume document also possible in this project, and also upload jobs report maintained in this project. This is is the short notes in candidate side. In the recruiter side, recruiter post the jobs based on this subscription. The subscription contains a premium, gold, platinum, and the diamond user, diamond subscription based on this some amount. If the user successfully pay this then the subscription can be activated. Then if the premium user post the jobs and the edit the jobs also available. If the recruiter post the jobs based on this subscription, for example, if the recruiter post the job using a job title and the job description, if we enter the job description, then automatically bind the location using a location to the next page by using a location parser. Then if we post the jobs, then the corresponding matched top and matched resumes to this recruiter, and also send the top 10 matched job and also send the matched jobs to the matched candidate. So based on this fetch alert limit, candidate fetch alert limit, then also the recruiter fetch the jobs, fetch the recruiter fetch the resumes using fetch resumes tab. Then some of the features are also available in this project. For example, based on this subscription, for example, this features are resume dashboard view, scratchpad access, multiple email check availability, broadcast, MyCC, MyCarco Blast, then video interview, then tech evaluation, candidate pipeline feed, and also etc. And also login, IP address based login security also possible in this project. And I also know this the concept of these all features. This is the short notes for my work, and I am the quick learner, and I am also interested to learn a new technology in ASP.NET, and I am also interested to work in a ASP.NET developing field. So please give chance for me. That's all. Thank you, sir.